Hello and welcome to Autoportal. Today we are here at the Madras Motor Racetrack and standing just next to me is the Mini. Well, this is not just any Mini. This is the JCW and which is said to be the most powerful out there of all. So without wasting any more time, let's find out what it has to offer. The JCW gets an aggressive and bold appeal with its large air dams on the bumper and also a bonnet scoop between the optional JCW stripes. The exclusivity comes out with the JCW badging placed on the front grille, front fender as well as on the boot. And of course, sporty rear spoiler. That too is colored in red just like the mirror caps and the sunroof. This one rides on a 17-inch alloy wheels. While opting for an optional package, you can ride on 18 inches as well. Get inside and you will notice the interior has been complemented with the same sportiness and aggression as the exterior. Though the JCW gets the same fashion circular theme styling but with more oomph, like the red panel running through either sides of the center console, leather wrapped steering wheel and sporty bucket seats with contrast stitching, and the leather seat also gets some suede treatment. And also a Union Jack pattern slapped just above the glow box that gives a highlighting touch to it. Use of toggle switches make you feel as if you are in a cockpit. Though these are the same as you will see in any other Mini, but these switches are more in line to give touch of a sports car. We're out of the pit now and we are going for a side lap, and after that we'll go with some fast laps. This is just to get more acquainted to the track when you're driving a car. The very first lap is a sighting lap just to get acquainted to the track, and once it is done, just press the pedal and you can actually feel the grunt of the 2-liter twin-turbo petrol motor cranking out all the power. Moreover, this Mini went through corners and parabolas with ease, though in between the ESC was also kicking in and doing its job. While driving this powerful hatchback in its most aggressive mode, one can notice the meaty and direct steering of the JCW. It is lively and at times sports suspension gives a firm ride and you will feel bumps and rumble strips when driving on streets, but the seat comfort is good as well. The thick bucket seats and side bolsters hold you nicely when running through the corners. While driving on the mild mode does give you a smooth ride. But that said, we were not here to be comfortable and we're pushing the Mini to its limits. The power kicks in as soon as you punch the car. I'll just get back to you with that in just few seconds, as we have to wait for a batch of other cars. We're waiting for other batch of cars to swing along. Those are not the JCWs, definitely. Can you listen to the sound? I can feel it. Mini JCW is surely a pocket rocket, though it is little less on the practicality. But if you have that much of cash lying around, then this is surely one of the cars that you should add to your garages. Being the most powerful Mini, you can surely not deny to drive one of these and own one. Goodbye for now and drive safely.